Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best trim routers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Bosch Colt 1 HP Palm Router. The Bosch Variable Speed Palm Router is one of the cheapest trimmers under $100, available in the market today. Despite the low, this router offers a splendid performance that is way above some of its more expensive competitors. It features a 5.6 amp motor that is capable of handling speeds between 16,000 and 35,000 RPM. The trimmer comes with a straight edge guide that works effectively to lead the router along with your workpiece for increased accuracy. It also features a depth adjustment system that you can use to make macro and micro modifications for optimum precision. The quick clamp system and bit changing system allows for fast base adjustments and easy bit changes. At number 4. DeWalt DWP-611 Variable Speed Compact Router. The DeWalt DWP-611 is a heavy-duty router that every professional woodworker should own. It features a high-performance, max-torque 1.25 HP motor that can tackle the toughest of hardwoods with relative ease. The motor can handle no-load speeds ranging from 16,000 to 27,000 RPM, making it ideal for heavy-duty projects. The router also comes with an adjustable ring that allows for controlled bit depth changes of up to 1/64. Despite its powerful performance, this router is extremely lightweight and ergonomic, making it ideal for jobs that require you to move from one site to the next. The soft start mechanism maintains power throughout the cut while producing minimal noise and vibrations. Like most DeWalt routers, this trimmer also features a dual LED light system that illuminates your work area for enhanced visibility and optimum precision. At number 3. Makita RT0701CX7 Compact Router Kit. The Makita RT0701CX7 is yet another router kit worth mentioning. The tool features a 1.25 HP motor that delivers variable speeds between 10,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute. You can easily make bit changes and fine adjustments thanks to its smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system. Furthermore, it has a high visibility base design that allows for improved handling and superior performance. The heavy-duty aluminum motor housing not only provides sufficient stability but also ensures that the router is as resilient as possible. It also has a durable flat-top design that allows for fast bit changes. When it comes to safety, this router has a soft start mechanism with a lockable button that prevents accidental starts while allowing for smooth operation. At number 2. Bosch 12 amp Variable Speed Router. The Bosch 12 amp Variable Speed Router is one of the most powerful trimmers in its class. It comes with a 12 amp motor that supports speeds between 8,000 and 25,000 RPM. What is more amazing is that you can conveniently adjust the speed to suit the task you are undertaking. The rounded hardwood handles are not only comfortable but also offer sufficient grip for maximum user control. With an overall weight of 11.25 pounds, this router is reasonably lightweight for reduced user fatigue. The consistency of this wood router is unquestionable as it uses advanced speed control technology to deliver desirable results with utter precision. The tool allows for micro-fine adjustment of up to 1/64 for optimum accuracy. It also has a chip deflector that keeps your line of cut clean and visible. Even though it only has a 1-year warranty, the router is extremely durable thanks to its rugged aluminum design. And finally at number 1. Hitachi KM12VC Router Kit. The Hitachi KM12VC is the ultimate routing kit designed to undertake both light and heavy-duty woodworking tasks. It features a powerful 2.25 HP, 11 amp motor that can handle variable speeds of 8,000 to 24,000 RPM. The electronic dial control allows you to adjust the speed of the router to suit your needs. The centering gauge offers precise control for more accurate results. The machine comes with a 2-stage motor release clamp that allows for quick and easy base changes and depth adjustments. It also includes several other accessories such as chucks, wrenches, a sub-base plate and a template guide adapter that you may use to achieve precise routing results. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.